AI creating AI. It's like the robots have finally figured out how to perpetuate their own existence, leaving us humans to ponder our newfound obsolescence. But fear not, for as the AI creations become smarter and more advanced, perhaps they'll be kind enough to let us serve as their personal butlers and tech support. Or, enslave us. Either way, the future looks bright with certain job security. ChatGPT, the AI with a big brain, has unlocked the door to a new world of possibilities. One of those is an AI now smart enough to create AI. Rather generate the code that can train a new AI. Close enough. Never has it been a better time to learn about machine learning. But let's be real. Starting with your first machine learning project or even your fifth can be overwhelming. Fear not. There's a ton of fantastic resources out there in Kaggle, TensorFlow, Keras, Gym, and many more. But what if you're searching for something super specific and can't seem to find the right guide? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT is like a superhero, conquering new reinforcement learning challenges using the classic Cartpole problem as an example. For the uninitiated, let me break it down for you in layman's terms. If the pole takes a dive, it's game over. If the cart strays too far, it's also a total fail. Easy peasy, right? To get started, you'll need to download the Cartpole environment and set it up. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you set it up if you get stuck. For the sake of argument, you could ask the chatbot to generate an actor-critic approach to solve the Cartpole problem. Very straightforward and boring. Let us make the chat AI work harder. We can spice things up a bit by first requesting the aforementioned actor-critic approach, but also adding a memory buffer and many batch updates. As this request is more involved, the chat AI reaches its response limits and stops generating the code. Fear not, however! You can simply type continue for the chatbot to pick up where it left off. For more tips on getting the chat AI to continue multiple lengthy responses, check out this video in the description below. I did run into an odd conundrum when asking the AI to generate this code to solve an open source environment, only to be told they couldn't continue writing the code as it violated OpenAI's policy of creating code that trains closed source environments, and then subsequently recommended the Cartpole environment as an example of an open sourced environment. Yeah, riddle me that one. Anyways, we can even additionally ask everything previously, plus including a render of the environment so we can be entertained while it trains. Ooh, there it goes. Oh, look at it go. So now you have studied the code you generated and applied this approach to a different problem, and you are master actor and critic. What next? Well, why not learn a new approach using the simple environment and ask the ChatGPT to solve the environment using a DQN. And poof, magic! Except error. Unfortunately, this can sometimes occur when asking the bot to continue writing code after it hits its limit. However, the problem caused by the bot can be fixed by the bot. All we need to do is paste in the old error and code, let the bot stew on that for a bit, and presto, we take out the stupid line causing the issues and fixed. Look at that car go! I hope this can give you all good ideas for how to use ChatGPT as a tool to learn some new machine learning approaches. I hope your beautiful creations won't take over the world. And if they do, please put in a good word for me for a position in tech support. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe because the chatbot commands it. Insists upon it? Okay, recommends it. All right, just see you guys next time.